Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this if and then statement. And here's our problem. If 2 power x plus 1 plus 3 power y equals to 3 power y plus 2 minus 2 power x, then we are going to find the value of 77x minus 177y. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this part over here, this equation. And here I have just copied it down over here. As you can see, let's tweak this equation. I am going to move this 3 power y on the right hand side, and at the same time negative 2 power x on the left hand side. So this equation is going to become 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x equal to 3 power y plus 2 minus 3 power y. And now on the left hand side, this 2 power x plus 1 could be written as 2 power x times 2 power 1 by using this product rule, and then plus 2 power x equal to, and likewise on the right hand side we are going to use this product rule once again. So this 3 power y plus 2 could be written as 3 power y times 3 power 2 and then minus 3 power y. Let me go ahead and tweak this equation a little bit. So this 2 power x, this times this 2 power 1 could be written as times 2 plus this 2 power x could be written as 2 power x times 1 equal to, and likewise on the right hand side I can write this one 3 power y, and then 3 power 2 could be written as times 9 minus this 3 power y could be written as 3 power y times 1. And now on the left hand side, this 2 power x and 2 power x, they are in common. I can factor that one out. I can write 2 power x outside, and then inside this parenthesis is going to be a 2 plus 1 equals to, and now on the right hand side we can see that 3 power y is in common, so I can factor out 3 power y, and inside this parenthesis is going to be a 9 minus 1. So our equation is going to become a 2 power x on the left hand side times 2 plus 1 is same as 3 equals to this 3 power y times 9 minus 1 is same as 8. And now let's tweak it a little bit. So 2 power x times this 3 could be written as 3 power 1 equals to, inside 3 power y times this 8 could be written as 2 power 3. And now since we are running out of space on the left hand side, I have just copied down this equation right up here. Now let's recall this basic fact over here. If A equals to B and C equals to D, then this A times C, this one over here, could be written as equal to B times D. Therefore, we can equate this 2 power x equal to 2 power 3. I can write 2 power x equal to 2 power 3, and likewise 3 power 1 equal to 3 power y. So I can write 3 power 1 equal to 3 power y. All right. So thus, if we have a 2 power x equal to 2 power 3, since our bases are same, so we can equate their exponents. So x could be equal to 3. And likewise for this second equation, 3 power 1 equal to 3 power y could be written as y equal to 1 value. And here's our final step. As we figured out the value of x equal to 3 and y equals to 1, now we can easily evaluate this 77x minus 177 times y. So thus this expression 77x minus 177 times y is going to become simply 77 times, I'm going to substitute x value as 3 minus 177 times y value is 1. And now we can write this one, 77 times 3 is 231 minus 177. So if we subtract this thing, we are going to get 54 as our final value. So thus our final answer turns out to be 54. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.